sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is clear. Can you tell me how to get to there from here? Hey dude, how do I get to Sesame Street? Sesame Street. Hey, I'm walking here. Hey. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Hey, Beneshiag. What's up, birds? Beneshiag, birds. BOOZHOO, Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. How you fellas doing? Mino Giga Jabe, Kakina Awia. Hello, everybody. Today is the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jabe, Kakina Awia. Good morning, everybody. That includes you too, B'nai Sheyag. That includes you too, birds. I just thought maybe I should step outside. Before we start the show, put out my tobacco, say a little prayer to my Creator. You know. It's kind of an Indian thing. No. It's an Anishinaabe thing. Being a human being and all that. So, grab a little Sema. Tobacco. A Sema. And, hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO, get your manado. BOOZHOO, get your manado. Please accept my tobacco here. Daga udapanan niwi asema. Daga udapanan niwi asema. Please accept my tobacco. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji ka kina gegu. Ka iji chikean nungom. Thank you for my life. Miigwech ka iji bamadazian. Thank you for healing my sadness. Thank you for patching up that old broken heart of mine. Nah. Miigwech ka gage. Niwi gashkendamoan. And, you know, thank you for listening. Miigwech ka bizandawiag. Amen. Apayandike. You guys ever do that? You ever come outside and say a prayer? I don't know many people who actually put out tobacco. I know a couple. Some of the more traditional Indians will put out tobacco, but I don't know, man. I pray a lot, but I don't really understand it, if I'm being honest with you. I mean, I understand it. I'm talking to God, but I always end up just getting distracted by thanking him for stuff. Thank you for my health. Thank you for my house. Thank you, you know. And then I ask him for stuff, please. And I do it in a real roundabout way. I don't like to just ask for stuff. I don't think Gitchimanadu is like a vending machine. You know, he's not a genie. Prayer isn't supposed to be you just rubbed a genie lamp and you get 3 wishes. But if I'm going to thank him for the good stuff, then it must mean I think he had something to do with it. And if he's got something to do with it, then, well, thanks for doing that. So I find myself asking to, you know, will you please continue to bless me by taking care of us? And I leave it up to him. I don't say, please send me $10,000. But just lately I've been like, please help me to feel more confident, less anxiety. Thank you for getting me out of my sadness, my depression, my anxiety. But I'm ready now. Please bring me success. Let me feel confident because I've been successful. You know, I know I'm not supposed to like care about the ways of this world, you know, that ain't our way. But I'm like, okay, I'm 56 years old, coming in fast on 57. I'm not a kid anymore. I'm not too young to, you know, once in a while people make it. Once in a while people are like, hey, that worked out for him. He started a business. You know, she found a man. Whatever. Sometimes stuff works out. Now lately, it seemed like the show's not working out. I don't know why. I have a couple of theories, but it's not from lack of trying, I'll tell you that. But, you know, whatever happened, our show is not very popular. People aren't watching it on YouTube anymore. I've put out little clips. Maybe they'll watch it on that. No. I come on at the same time every day. No. So I prayed. Let me be successful. Or show me a way to success. I'll change my approach. So I asked for that this morning before the show. We'll see what happens. So far, nobody's watching. Whatever. Okay, I'm going to go in, B'nai Shiyag. Yeah, it's... beats me. I don't know. I don't understand it at all. But we'll see. Hey, Gigawa Min, Minowa. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. Are you done praying? Yeah, I put on my tobacco. I said a little prayer. All right, you ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay. Hey, there he is. Well, hi. How are you? I'm doing great. How are you? Oh, not too bad. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. BOOZHOO Gakina Awiya. Mino Giga Jabe Gakina Awiya. Hello, everybody. Yeah, everybody. Today is the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jabe Gakina Awiya. Good morning, everybody. But nobody's watching again. Maybe the creator doesn't want us doing live streams for some reason. I don't understand. Then again, I don't think... I mean, like, the creator, Gitchimanadu, is the boss of everything. But I sort of suspect that Satan owns YouTube. Yeah, no doubt. But yeah, here we go again. Yesterday we just did I started talking about Columbus, had all these funny jokes and stuff, and I prepared all this stuff. And like one person showed up. I was like, what is this? Why isn't anybody here? Why doesn't anybody watch? They don't know we're on for some reason. Or they all got taken out. I don't know. But I feel stupid now because here we are. We might as well be pre-taping. Yeah. All right. So today is a Ojibwe word for the 5 people that'll watch this video later today, and then it'll be just cataloged into hyperspace or whatever. What else we got? You could take a call. I could take a call. But those jokes are wearing thin when there's no audience. Yeah. Computer. Boop, 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 boop. What are you doing? I was going to end the holodeck simulation, but now I'm thinking I don't want to do that. No, don't do that. All right. Let's play a song. I just don't understand, sweetie. I don't know. Let's call that good enough. What about a Rush tune? How about Fly By Night? I got a request. Fly By Night. I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Window beside, no fright or high sight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming, I just can't pretend. Chapter, I'll find what I'm after. It's changing every day. A change of the season, the love of reason to want to carry away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive. The hours drift away, leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand. My life begins today. Oh, fly away from here, change my life, and fly by night. Goodbye, my dear. My ship isn't coming, and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming, and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming, and I just can't pretend. Yeah, yeah. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
From the solo album?
Yeah. Okay, let's see how that sounds.
No, not Love and Chains, but maybe Goodbye. I liked it. I also love I Still Love You. I Still Love You. What's yours?
I don't know. It's weird. I don't even know if I like Kiss anymore.
What do you mean you don't like Kiss?
I mean, I'm not going to go, hey, what Kiss song should I listen to today? Oh, let's listen to Love Gun. You know, I'm not gonna listen to Love Gun.
Why not? You pull the trigger of my...
Yeah. You know,
Love
I don't listen to that
God.
kind of music anymore. Anyway, so, Migazy. It's a bald eagle, sweetie.
Okay, we're gonna shift gears.
Shifting gears. When Eric Carr joined KISS in 1983, 82, whatever, they almost had him become a bird. He was going to be the falcon or something. They had come up with a bird. And what they should have had him be is a bald eagle. They should have had him shave his head, paint white makeup all over his head, and then just paint a yellow nose. You know, you can put some eyeliner on or something, but all white head. He could have been the bald eagle, the Migazy. But instead he became the fox, and then he died. The bald eagle, Migazy, in the Ojibwe culture. In the Ojibwe Bamadazi win, the life way, the path. In our 7 Anishinaabe values, the grandfather teachings.
Just get to it.
Oh, right. The bald eagle represents love itself. Zaga, Edie win. If you're new to this show, you might not know. Maybe you already know. The 7 grandfather teachings are 7 values that we have. Values like respect and courage and humility. And each of the values, there's an animal that represents that value. And our value of love, zaga, iriwin. There's a glottal stop there, so it's kind of like oh, like the dash and oh. Zaga, iriwin, love. And some people say, I was told once that, the eagle, sometimes people will put out tobacco and they'll pray and they'll say, Miigwech Gitchi Manadu, when they see an eagle. Because back in the days of the grandfathers, before the grandfathers, when Gitchi Manadu was making all the animals, he'd give them a job. And he made the bald eagle. And he said, listen here, Migazy, I want you to be the carrier of the people's prayers.
Oh, what?
There are many ways that they send their prayers to me. Sometimes they in smoke. Sometimes they, pray, and I hear their prayers. But, once in a while, people will pray when they see you. They'll be reminded of me and of my great love for my children. So when somebody prays to you, if they put out tobacco, you can grab some tobacco and bring it up to me. But more than that, bring up their prayers to me. I want to hear their prayers. I will answer their prayers. This will be your job. It's a very important job. And Migazy said, yes, Gitchi Manadu. Yes, Great Spirit, I will do as you say. But what if people want to start thinking of me as, representing something else, like money, or representing America, or representing, a football team? What if they try to make me a symbol of a football team, Great Spirit? Should I be offended? We're not mascots, And he goes, take it easy. You're starting to sound like a Native American. I gave you a job. Don't worry about being a mascot, all right? We'll make them change to Fighting Sioux if you're so sensitive. And so the bald eagle became the animal that represents love. Now, some people, they hear this word gnu. Gnu is also an eagle, but it's a golden eagle. It's the eagle who still has his hair.
The eagles don't have hair.
All right. It's the eagle that's all gold. Sometimes it can be kind of a... Are golden eagles a different type of eagle? Or are they just a non-mature Migazy?
I'm not sure, actually. Are they just girl eagles? Girl Migazys?
You think Gnu is just a girl Migazy?
Yeah. Are there girl bald eagles?
Yeah, I think so. I don't even know. Yeah, I think there's girl bald eagles. They're not really bald. They're just colored white. But yeah, so GNU I think is like their cousin.
Yeah, it's probably their cousin.
GNU is a golden eagle. And today, the really important thing to learn is how to say, I love you. I can't even say it. Gizagain, sweetie.
Gizagain, weenie mushain.
I love you. Gizagain. What if you want to say I love you too? You say Gizagain, gaye. Gaye. All right, here's another pronunciation just to remind you. I's are, like sit. 2 A's are like in father. Za. G. Then there's that glottal stop again, like oh. Gizaga. And then 2 I's sounds like E. Een. Gizagain. Gizagain. And then you say gaye. Or then, so G's are G. A's are sound. 2 A's to say And then E's sound like A, as in Ojibwe. Gaye. Gizagain gaye. I love you too. I love you also. You could also say Minawa, I guess, but I love you again. Gizagain. And so today I would like to talk about what is love. What's love got to do with it, sweetie?
What's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion?
We never did do our show on Tina Turner.
Didn't we?
Yeah. No. I'm pretty convinced that Tina Turner is not... I think Tina Turner has some secrets. But it's not at my place to out secret trainees. But Tina Turner in the 1980s came out long before everybody became so accepting of transgendered people. And she sang a song called What's Love Got to Do with It? And it was about, there was also Private Dancer.
Yeah. I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money.
A dancer for money. A private... That's just code word for, I didn't want to say it. You know what I'm talking about.
A lady of the night.
A lady of the night. Yeah, what is like the Old West? A resident of a brothel. No. So Tina Turner said love had nothing to do with it, and that she was your private dancer, a dancer for money. Any old song will do. And the more you listen to Tina Turner, sweetie,
yeah,
the more you sympathize with Ike Turner.
What do you mean?
Like you kind of want to smack her around. I'm sorry. I know that's not politically correct. I'm not saying it's okay to smack around women. That's abhorrent. A death penalty for it, frankly. But if you were married to Tina Turner, wouldn't you want to smack her face once in a while? Just when she opened her mouth.
Left a good job in the city.
Yeah, left a good job in this. Would you put on some pants, Tina? Ugh, you're built like Michelle Obama. Anyway.
Hey everybody, if you'd like to support the show, check out the links in the description box. You can support us on Patreon, PayPal, or GoFundMe. And Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, has books for sale at Amazon.com. Miigwech.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. Speak Ojibwe. dum G-A-I-on, ho man noon goon. In English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in OJ. Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast.
about Ojibwe language
And culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.
How about, if it's cool with you, Michael, we read this book for the folks, and I'll read a Jidamu, and you can read all the other animals.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So this is BOOZHOO Jidamu by Michael Lyons. There's the cover page. There's a Jidamu walking from the sun. Okay, go ahead, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, Jidamu. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Jesus. Hello, sun. It's a sunny day.
BOOZHOO, Jidamu. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Gigi Gigi Ganashin. Hello, chickadee.
BOOZHOO, Jidamu.
BOOZHOO, Memengwa. Hello, butterfly. Saying hello to the butterfly and the chickadee. BOOZHOO, Seban. BOOZHOO, Seban. Hello, raccoon. That raccoon is sleeping. He's trying to wake him up.
Huh? Oh, BOOZHOO, Jidamu.
He just woke him up. Now he's laughing.
BOOZHOO, Jidamu.
BOOZHOO, Andeg. BOOZHOO, Andeg. Hello, crow.
BOOZHOO, Jida.
Oh, what's he see there? It's a flying saucer. Pika! Wait! Pika! Wait, what are you doing? Your hummingbird's going right after him. Ho!
BOOZHOO, Niji. Hello, brother. BOOZHOO, Nenukasi Indigenakaz. Hello, hummingbird is my name. BOOZHOO. I think the aliens like using telekinetics.
BOOZHOO, Jidamu Indigenakaz. Hello, Jidamu is my name.
Stephen Indigenakaz. Stephen is my name. Majada.
Jidamu's thinking about it, but I don't think, Steven's saying, let's go. And Hummingbird's not sure about it.
Ajidamu, Gecko! Ajidamu, don't!
Gigawabamin, Minoa. I'll see you later. That old squirrel, he's gonna go on a joyride in the UFO, in the spaceship. Gigawabamin, Aki. Goodbye, Earth. Or I'll see you, Earth. Gigawabamin, Dibik Jesus. I'll see you, Moon. I'll see you, Moon and Earth. Hoa. Hoa is the Ojibwe word for ufta in Norwegian. And then he does a big U-turn. And he comes back and he's like, BOOZHOO, Dibik Jesus. Hello, Moon. BOOZHOO, Aki. Hello, Earth. Now he's saying hello to the Moon and the Earth. BOOZHOO, Dibik Jesus. BOOZHOO, Aki. Oh, and he comes in, he's getting teleported. Aho, me gwetch. That's like, Oh, thank you. Really, really thank you. Thank you a lot. Aho, miigwech. He's grateful for his little joyride into outer space. Gigawabamin, Steven. I'll see you, Steven.
Gigawabaman, Ajitamu. I'll see you, Ajitamu. I'll see you, Red Squirrel.
They're waving goodbye. It's also the end of the day. And he flies away, and he's Ajitamu's there, and he's thinking, oh, oh, he went on a big adventure. And there you have it. BOOZHOO Ajitamu. Hello, Red Squirrel. And if you'd like to order the book, click the link. But otherwise, I'd like to say miigwech to our special guest, Michael Lyons. Oh, well, that's a cool song, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, it is.
Natasha wrote this song.
There's a little guitar ditty.
Gibberish. A collection of Ojibwe cartoons by Michael Lyons. You can order this at Amazon.com. La-di-da-di-da-di-dum. Oh, look at that little cutie playing the guitar.
No, get out of here.
Click the link below to order your books today. And who's there? Oh, look, it's Natasha.
No.
Sweetie, you're a virtuoso on that guitar.
No, get out of here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Yeah, well, gee, you got a bunch of books out there, Michael. Yeah, well, I had a lot of time on my hands. What book are you most proud of all the books you've ever written and illustrated? That I'm most proud of? Let me think. It might be, are you just looking for a cover we already have? Yeah. I think the book I'm most proud of is the Ojibwe language book. But you didn't even illustrate anything in this. No, there's coloring book pages. Oh, is there? Yeah, I think so. If you'd like to learn Ojibwe words and phrases like we teach on this show here, and be able, whatever. Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons is a handy, quick reference guide to useful Ojibwe. I mean, I'm not really sure how useful Ojibwe is. What? It's important. Yeah, want to pray or something. I mean, it's not very useful if nobody else knows how to speak Ojibwe. English actually has more use in every day, but that's not why we're here.
No. Hey, sweetie, you want to take a call?
Not really.
Okay.
Why? Who is it?
You have your choice.
I'm thinking about just closing out if you're cool with that. Oh, by all means. Yeah. All right, you guys. Unless you want to add anything. No, just tell them to give us a thumbs up. If you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And miigwech gabizen dawieg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech ganawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. This over here is Natasha. Miigwech kakina awia. This over here is Michael Lyons. And to close out the show, Michael's going to sing a song in Ojibwe.
You serious?
Yes, I'm serious, J. Jonah Jameson. Dude, I'm so sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons.
Oh,
The song is called BOOZHOO Gichimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO Gichimanadu. Miigwech gaiji kakina gegu. Gaiji chigea nungum. BOOZHOO Gichimanadu. Miigwech gaiji kakina gegu. Gaiji chigea nungum. Miigwech wenda. Gaiji, Amadazian, Miigwech wenda, Gaiji bimadazian, Gaiji kakina gegu. Miigwech, Miigwech, Gichimanadu, Gaiji kakina gegu. Miigwechi wenda. Gichimanadu.
oh wow. That was great.
Yeah, that was.
Ladies and
What we're
gentlemen,
working on anyway.
Michael Lyons on the guitar.
BOOZHOO Gichimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Miigwech gaiji kakina gegu. Gaiji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Ni miigwechi wendam. Gaiji bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Ni miigwechi wendam. Gaiji webak. Thank you for the weather. These are just some of the Ojibwe phrases of the day. Next up, let's do a song that you might have heard on the radio.
On the radio?
Or you might have heard it on your home stereo, on the phonograph. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And we'd like to invite you to join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's Moment of Wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today, I'd say we
Candid
all
behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons.
know you won't break
And
down, won't
new music
despair,
videos,
won't be around,
dead celebrity
you'll
interviews
never
from
forget
heaven,
what it
what have you.
When I'm old
And of course,
gray, I might
cat
look
videos
back and say,
of Bagheera.
these were the golden days. One
Click
day
the link
when
below.
I'm old and I'm gray,
Join
I
the
might look
BOOZHOO
back and
Crew
say,
membership channel,
this was the
$4.99 a
price
month.
I paid.
We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Giga Wabba Min. Minowa.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain.
God knows I've got my own.